First, we put some chicken in the boil with garlic, onion, salt, and oh my god, I don't know what that is.
Knorr chicken seasoning. And we're gonna boil it for how long?
45 minutes. In this pot, I'm putting olive oil, a cup of rice, garlic, and onions. Until golden brown. Now I'll be adding a diced tomato to the rice. It's golden brown. And then after that, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning to the rice. And I'll let this cook for about a minute or 2. Now I'll be adding 2 cups of chicken broth to my rice from the chicken I was boiling. For every cup of rice, you're gonna need 2 cups of chicken broth. Now I'll be covering the rice and turning the heat down to low and letting this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that the chicken is done boiling, I'll be making my pre-made mola sauce. I'll be adding some chicken broth, and my mola until I get the consistency I want. Now that I have the consistency I want for my mola, I'll be adding my cooked chicken and letting that simmer for about 10 minutes. Now that my mola is done, I'll be plating it.